Introduction to cloud computing. Objectives are describe the evolution of cloud computing, explain the advantages of cloud computing, state the characteristics of cloud computing, describe the cloud delivery models, defining and describing SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS, describe the deployment models. Definition of cloud computing. Cloud computing is an approach enabling on-demand access through the internet to computing capabilities and resources, like network servers, applications, and services. Evolution of cloud computing. Cloud computing is an emerging technology trend in the development world. It involves delivery of software platforms and infrastructure as service through the internet or networks. Main issues faced by the computing world today: server and infrastructure costs increasing day by day, computing power and resources underutilized in a non-peak time, environmental damage due to increase in hardware. Solution to such issues is virtualization. Virtualization: process of creating a virtual version of an operating system, a server, or network resources. Using virtualization, you can host multiple operating systems at the same time on a single machine. A virtualized server, it utilizes 50 to 80%. Using virtualization cuts, cuts costs for hardware acquisition, maintenance, energy, and cooling system usage. Virtualization has many benefits, but they are not enough. Virtualization alone could not fulfill the growing demands of businesses. This led to utility computing. In utility computing, software is used like utilities on a pay-and-use basis. With time, utility computing paved the way for cloud computing. Today, there are several cloud applications available for consumers, such as Gmail and others. Cloud desktop operating system. Internet-based operating system that can be accessed anytime from any desktop. No worries about hard disk space, as data will be stored on the cloud. Advantages of cloud computing. It has elasticity, failover capabilities, data redundancy, and characteristics of cloud computing. It is a user-centric, task-centric, powerful, and programmable. Key market players of cloud computing: Amazon, Microsoft, Salesforce. Cloud delivery models. Delivery models, also called as layers in the cloud stack, delivery software, applications, platforms, and infrastructure as cloud services. Mainly there are three types: software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. Software as a service. Traditionally, organizations followed a standard approach: acquire licensed software, install it, and then maintain and upgrade the software when new versions arrive in the market. Software and functionality as a web service. Pay-as-you-use pricing model. Software present in the cloud can be used when required without the need for any local licenses or installations. Cost much lesser than actual licenses. Examples are Google Docs and Gmail. Platform as a service. Developer-created applications are deployed on the cloud. Scaling the platform, similar to SaaS pricing structure, is pay as you use. Infrastructure as a service provides processing capabilities, storage, networks. There are two models, cloud deployment models, public and private. Summary: cloud computing enables on-demand access through internet or a network to computing capabilities and resources. Three models deliver cloud services, application platforms, or infrastructure. There are two cloud deployment models, namely private and public.